Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want buyers added to your ConvertKit list instantly. If you are selling courses or any digital downloads, your buyers should enter an automated funnel immediately. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to ConvertKit fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So just go ahead, open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go through Zapier.com. So for example, I'm just gonna open Zapier.com here. Then you can either search with Google or search free with email. It depends on you. I'm just gonna give it a small search here, convert. Okay, we'll be able to see if there is this ConvertKit here. ConvertKit. So you just give it a small search if you can basically access it on Zapier. Otherwise, we will have to use make.com to access these options. It's basically another automated AI agent or pre-made AI agent example that you can use. You can create anything, you can build and ship fast, solve smarter, and all of this. Basically, IT operations, marketing, sales, finance, whatever you want. Now, the trigger should be a new sale in Gumroad. You should connect also your account using your API key. As for the action, add subscriber in ConvertKit. Then choose your form or tag. Map for email, first name, product name. Then give it a small test. Then turn the automation on. Now every buyer enters your email sequence instantly. As a pro tip, you can use separate tags for different products to personalize upsells. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.